Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you. We'll be making a vibrant, wholesome, and incredibly flavorful vegetable curry that's sure to be a hit in your home. So let's get started. First off, we're going to create our aromatic curry paste. We need 100 grams of red onions, 15 grams of garlic, 30 grams of ginger, and 60 grams of red chili. Additionally, we'll add some aromatic spices, including 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Finally, we need 120 grams of oil to bring everything together. Blend all these ingredients together until you get a smooth paste. This forms the flavorful foundation of our curry. Next, heat up some oil in a pan and add in our freshly made paste. Stir-fry this mixture until it becomes fragrant. It should only take a few minutes. Once that's done, add in 350 grams of white cabbage, 150 grams of long green beans, and 120 grams of carrots. Stir-fry these for a few minutes. Now, pour in 400 grams of coconut milk and 400 grams of water. Stir everything together and let it cook until it starts to boil. Once boiling, lower the heat, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. After simmering, it's time to add in the seasoning. Use 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Now, your vegetable curry is ready to serve. Today, we're pairing ours with some thick, chewy udon noodles. For an added crunch, we're garnishing our dish with some fried shallots. And for those of you who love spice, don't be shy about adding some extra chili paste on top. And there you have it, a hearty and flavorful vegetable curry. If you try this recipe, be sure to let us know in the comments below how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!